now that I have sprayed all of my diapers, I'm going to show you a little bit about how I wash them. So every wash routine is different. Everybody's laundry machine is just a little bit different. So this is the way that we wash. It may be different for another family. So I've already dumped most of my diapers in. Here are the diapers that I just sprayed. I'm going to start with, we use a little bit of OxiClean in our wash. And I'm going to do first a pre-rinse. So I'm going to wash on warm with a speed wash. And that will be my first cycle. After this is done, I will do a heavy duty wash on hot with an extra rinse. And I will use a detergent that's cloth diaper safe. So we use a different detergent for our clothes than we do for our laundry, but this is made especially for cloth diapers. So I use 2 scoops of this on a hot wash. Once it's done, I either hang them to dry or I dry them in the dryer. When it's nice out, I sun them to get out any stains that may have lingered.